Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 2021 in Practice Chapter 3 Guided Project 3 to 3. So if you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 guided project 3 to 3. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 guided project 3 to 3. We move to the main question. So total question is 18 and we move to the question number 1. So question number 1 is So we move to the question number 1. Open the Blue Lake 3, start the Excel file, protected view, click the enable editing buttons. You can modify the will rename. The file will be renamed automatically, included your name, and change the project file name directed to do so by your instructor and save it. So click the start of files and go to the downloads and open the Excel files. And click the enable editing. So next is create a pie chart. Select the revenue by department sheets and select the A4 to F4 and control and select the range A3 to F13. So next select the revenue by department worksheets. revenue by department worksheet revenue by department worksheet and select the cell A4 to F4, copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range A4 to F4 and control and select the cell A30 to F13. Cell A30 to F13. So A30 to F13. A30 to F13, and next part B is click the insert the pie or donut buttons and choose the 3D pie charts. So insert the pie chart in the 3D pie charts. Go to the insert tabs and go to the chart groups and click the 3D pie chart. So insert the 3D pie chart and we move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is apply the chart style and select the chart object if necessary. So select the chart and next is click the more button and select the chart style 3. Click the more button and click the chart style 3. So the more button and click the chart style 3, click OK. And next is we move to the question number 4. Size and position a chart and point to the chart object border to display the move of pointers and drag the chart's top corner in cell H4. So move and drag the chart in cell H4 and next is point to the bottom the right selection handle display the resize arrow and drag the pointer to each cell is Q19. So each cell in Q19, move and drag the chart in cell Q19. So question number 4 is complete and we move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is explore the pie slice and double click the pie to open the format data series task pane and click the Send Dagio slice to update the pane. Format data point task pane to the identifying screen tips. Refer to the legends and click the send Dagio slice. So send Dagio slice. Send Dagio slice. And next is click the series option button and format the data task pane and set the pi explosion percent at a 10% and close the task pane. Click the chart object button and the sun's slice. So right click and click the format data point and format data series. So format data series and just click the series option and set the explosion and 10%, point of explosion 10% and press enter. Explosion is 10%. Series option and format the data and set the explosion percent. So series is to 10% and press enter. And next is, so question number 5 is complete and we move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is, display and format the data labels and click the chart element button. So select the chart element button and click the data label arrow and click the more options. So select the chart element button and click the data label and click the more option. Data label and click the more option. Data label and click the more option and verify the label option group and verify the label option group. So next is label option group and data label pane and click the label option group and select the category name box. So select the category name box and next is confirm the percentage and shadow leader lines. So confirm the percentage and show the leader line and next is show the leader line and next is click the separators. So separators drop and choose the space. So select the separators, drop down and click the space. So click the space and next is click the fill and line button and expand groups and click the no fill colors. So click the fill and line buttons, click the fill and fill group and no fill to remove and click the no fill. So click the no fill and close the task pane. Click the close the task pane and next is delete the legend and recolor the position. Select the legends. So select the legends and confirm your section in the chart element buttons and press the delete and remove the legends and remove the legend. And next is click the chart element button, drop down list and current selection and series group data label and all the city name and percentage are selected. Click the text fill black text one. So select the chart element button, and select the series go data labels. Series go data label. So series the golf series the golf data label. And next is all city name and percentage are selected and click the text fill button is the text fill button is the black text one. Text fill, click the format tab and text fill is black text one. So black text one and click the many time needed, select the only went and move the pointer and drag and control Z. So next is text fill and point to display the move the pointer, drag and offset borders. So next is click the worksheet cell and next is create the cluster bar charts object the simulate funnel charts and select the range A22 to B26. So copy the range and go to the Excel worksheet and paste the range, press enter. So select the range A22 to B26, 22 to B26 and click the quick analysis button and click the chart and click the cluster bar charts. Click the cluster bar charts. So next is click the cluster quick analysis and click the cluster bar charts. And click the cluster bar charts and click OK. And next is reset and position the cluster bar charts and point to the chart border to display the move the pointer and drag the bar chart object top left corner in cell C21. Move and drag the chart in cell C21 and point the bottom right selection handles and drag the pointer to L14. And move and drag the chart in L14. L14. So question number 9 is complete. And we move to the question number 10. Apply the chart style, confirm that the bar charts object and click the more chart button and select the chart style 3. So click the chart button and chart design and chart style 3. Click OK. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete similar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So I have done the assignments. I have done the assignment and check the worksheet revenue by department and first periods. So next is upload and save your project file and submit the file for gradings. Files and click the save as, click the browse, and next is click the save and close the assignments. So upload the assignment and check the score. Upload my files and click open. Yes, submit the files, click OK. So put the assignment and check the score is 92%. So Excel 2021 in practice chapter 3 guided project 3 to 3 current score is 92%. So if you want to complete assignments or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete seminar project Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam.